On number 2, it asks, does the parabola open up or down? Well, we know that this is going to open up because a is positive. A in this case is a positive 1. So a is positive. Then they want us to find the vertex and the axis of symmetry. So I want to find negative b over 2a. So that's negative 2 times 1. So I'm using the a, b, and c from here. And this is equal to 2 over 2, or 1. So that's going to be the x value of my vertex. To get the y value, I need to plug in 1 into the original function. 1 squared minus 2 times 1 minus 3, and that's going to get you negative 4. So my vertex is 1, negative 4, and my axis is x is equal to 1. Again, this is a point, and this is a vertical line.